Hello, welcome to Future Guide Academy. I'm Mr. Purity. I'm going to guide you through Integrated Science, Grade 9, Plants and Animals. Now, under plants and animals, we're going to concentrate on what we're going to call as cells. So, by definition, a cell is a basic unit of a living thing. So, we're saying a cell is a basic unit of a living thing. So any living thing has what we're going to call as cells. So basically we're going to concentrate on plants and animals because these are the only living things that we have. So plants have cells as well as animals have cells. So we're going to have to look at the basic structure of a cell, of a plant cell, as well as of an animal cell. Then later on, we're going to look at the differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. So also looking at the basic structure of the structure of these cells, we're going to also talk about their specific functions. So without wasting much of our time, when we look at a cell under a microscope, this is exactly what we see of a plant cell. And then alongside it, we're going to talk about what we see under an animal cell. Now, under a plant cell, we're going to see something that looks like this. Okay, so like that. These dotted parts. Okay, so we're going to have to it's something that looks like that. Okay, now what are some of the parts? Because in an exam we'll ask you to measure in one or two of those parts and their functions. Now let's start with the outer part. The outer part is what we're going to call as a cell wall. Then followed by this inner part. The next to it is what we're going to call as the cell membrane. Okay, from the cell membrane we have this bigger part. It's the one that plays a very important role. It's the nucleus. And then we have the cell vacuole. And then we have these dotted parts. That's where photosynthesis takes place. These are what we're going to call as the chloroplasts. Okay, and then from the chloroplasts, we're going to have what we're going to call as the cytoplasm. So basically these are the major parts of a plant cell. We have the nucleus, we have the cell wall, we have the cell membrane, we have the cell vacuole, we have chloroplast as well as the cytoplasm. So this is exactly what we see under a microscope. Now what about on an animal cell? What do we see? So on an animal cell we see something that is irregular like that, and then it also has that. Okay, so that's what we have on an animal cell. So on an animal cell, what are some of the parts that we notice when we observe it under a microscope? We have, instead of having the cell wall, it has a cell membrane first. We have the cell membrane. Apart from the cell membrane, we have the cytoplasm. Apart from the cytoplasm, it also has a nucleus. So basically, these are some of the parts. These are some of the parts that we can observe under a microscope of an animal cell. Now, from the look of the two diagrams that we have on the plant cell and an animal cell, you on your own, you need to identify some of the differences that you're able to notice there. Okay, so we have the plant cell here and the animal cell. What are some of the differences that you're able to notice there? Because questions like that may be posed to say, can you mention 2 differences that you are able to notice from the diagrams there? So the first difference that you and I are noticing is that a plant cell has a cell wall, whilst an animal cell does not have a cell wall. That's one difference. Apart from that one, you've noticed that a plant cell has a shape, has a regular shape, but an animal cell does not have a regular shape, does not have a regular shape. Another difference also is that a plant cell has a vacuum, has a permanent vacuum, whilst an animal cell does not have a permanent vacuum, Apart from that one, you've noticed that a plant cell has chloroplasts, the ones that makes a plant to look green. Animal cells don't have that, because if they had, would all be looking greenish. So has chloroplasts, whilst this one does not have chloroplasts. Again, the other difference also is that a plant cell is large in size, whilst the animal cell is small in size. Now, we also talked about some of these parts. Now, let us mention some of the specific function of each and every part. So, I'll start with the animal cell in this case. An animal cell has a cell membrane. The function of the cell membrane is to protect the animal cell. So, this one acts as a protection of an animal cell. Apart from that one, the cell membrane also allows certain substances that enter or leave. It selects what goes in and goes out of the cell. The nucleus, the function is the same with the plant cell. The nucleus there controls all the cell activities. It is the headmaster here. It's the one that controls everything that goes around the cell. And then the cytoplasm, this is where most of the chemical activities occur. That's where all the chemical activities occur. So the functions are the same. Even for the nucleus, the functions are the same. It is the one that controls all the cell activities. As well as the cell membrane, even for a plant cell, the cell membrane is the one that is selectively permeable. It allows certain substances to enter or leave the cell. So on the plant cell, we have the cell wall. The cell wall is the one that protects the plant cell from damage. So this one is the one that works as a security guard. It's the one that protects the cell. Apart from that one, the plant cell, the cell wall is the one that gives the plant cell its shape. And then we have this, the chloroplasts there. The chloroplasts, they contain green pigments that are called chlorophyll. Okay, so the green pigment is the one that gives plants their greeny color so that they can carry out photosynthesis, making their own food. We also have the vacuum. The vacuum there stores the cell sap. So this is where cell sap is. Now, what is cell sap? It's simply a combination of water, sugars and salts, dissolved sugars and salts and water there. That's where food is stored also. They contain cell sap. And then we talked about the membrane. It selects what goes in and goes out of the cell. So basically, if you have any questions whatsoever on this one, please forward the questions. We'll be glad to answer them. Otherwise, this is what we have here. Thank you.